come with noise, lots of it. And whether we like it or not, many people hate it. They are a threat to the future of motorsports. That cannot be ignored. My name is Wim Mulder from the Netherlands, and I, with your vote on December 1st in Andorra, will help the FIM move forward. I promise to contribute to creating a plan that will reduce noise levels and thereby helps ensure the future of motorsports. This may not be the most popular of measures, but it's necessary. For I will not accept our beautiful sports be protested against or even eliminated because of the noise. That's why I want us to sit down with the industry and set ambitious targets for acceptable noise levels. Agreeing on noise reduction will in the end gain trust and respect with local governments, friends of nature and surrounding citizens. Facing these challenges will require dedication. We must do this to secure our future. Once this is clear to the industry, it's up to us to ensure compliance with our regulations so our riders can keep enjoying racing on tracks and circuits around the globe. Let's get it done!